You need to hear this if you're a taco lover. Gordon Ramsay's Texas tacos are a game changer. Let's get cooking. All right, grab your hanger steak and season it generously with kosher salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Heat up that grill or grill pan along with a cast iron skillet until it's smoking hot. Drizzle some olive oil in the skillet and sear your steak. Tilt the pan to get those edges crispy. 2 minutes each side, folks. Now for the cactus pad or nopal. Season it with salt, rub it with olive oil and grill it for about 2 minutes per side. Trust me, it's a game changer. Time for our pico de gallo. In a bowl, mix diced red onion, lime zest, Fresno chile, scallion, cilantro, tomato and garlic. Add some olive oil, salt and pepper and give it a good mix. Remove your steak and let it rest while you dice the grilled nopal and add it to your pico de gallo. Toast your blue corn tortillas lightly on the grill. Assemble thyme. Spoon pico de gallo onto each tortilla, slice the steak thick and add a few avocado slices. Top with creamer, extra lime juice and a sprinkle of cilantro. And there you have it. Gordon Ramsay's Epic Texas Tacos. Give it a try and let your taste buds dance.